Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's very quick video, I have a quick update. My name is Dom, I own Hole Printing Inc. I've been in the printing industry for years. I've worked with many big corporations and I help you on your printing journey. I do apologize for the noise in the background. I'm not speaking too loudly, but I hope that it's not bothering you guys too much. This video is going to be like 1-2 minutes. For anybody in the US or Canada, if ever you're looking for a DTF L1800 print head, whether that be a 9-pin or a 13-pin print heads, we now have some in stock. As well guys, if ever you need Epson i3200 print heads, we also have those in stock. Basically, commercial print heads, most popular ones, and L1800 print heads, 13-pin and 9-pin, which 9-pin is the most popular, right? So if you go on wprinting.ca, I'll have a link in the description. You guys can find the supplies there. If ever you guys need cables, stuff of that nature, make sure you go take a look. This new year we're trying to have more supplies in stock so we can deliver fast shipping, because the last thing you want is you not being able to print, especially if you have big orders to do. So make sure you guys go take a look at the website if you haven't already. We'll try to keep stock all year. If ever you're not sure about how much print heads, ink, supplies we have in stock, feel free to send us an email at this email and I'll be able to answer your questions and let you know the estimated delivery date as well as the estimated stock that we have in our warehouse currently. If ever you need print heads, inks, powder, films, whatever the case may be, look no further. Same day shipping, and we make sure that we send you the best quality products out there. If ever you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.